Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix iPhone not responding to touch. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have 3 troubleshoots for you. Basically, if your phone is just not responding when you're touching it anymore. The first one is to do a hard reset. Basically, you can turn off your phone without swiping, doing the swipe thing where it says slide to turn off. All you have to do is hold the volume up and the power button at the same time and continue to hold it past this screen. I exited out of that so it doesn't do anything or call 911. But if you hold it through that screen, it will do an automatic reset and hard reset the phone. So leave that off for about 3 to 5 minutes and then go ahead and turn back on your phone and it should be working fine. The second thing to check is to make sure there's no screen on your phone. People put, a screen protector on there or whatever kind of case or whatever. Sometimes that just doesn't work. It's getting in the way. There's something wrong with it. Just take it off. And if it starts to work again, it was the screen protector's fault. So get a new screen protector or just don't use one in general. And the last thing you want to try is to make sure that there's no updates on your phone that could be interfering with your phone. So if you can't use your phone because you can't touch it, what you want to do is update your phone through your desktop. So go ahead and plug in your phone to your laptop or your desktop. I did a screenshot here. This is your iTunes. And if you can see, you'll say iPhone. Go ahead and click on that. It'll open up this page. You go to your sync settings and it'll give you all these different options. And then what you want to do is check for updates, click on that. And if there's an update, go ahead and update your phone and it will reset without you having to touch your phone at all. And it should be working fine. If none of these are helping, there might be a problem with your actual phone, so you might have to set up a Genius appointment at Apple to get it fixed. There could be an internal problem going on. But go ahead and give these a try and then let us know what happens in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, let us also know. And don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.